from Majo's Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make Hainanese chicken rice. No, this is different. It's my own method, but resulted to a moist and tasty chicken. Let's take a look. One whole chicken, this about 1.3 kilogram, and ask the butcher to clean all the inside. And you're gonna cut through the back and try not to really cut in the middle of the backbone, so just slightly over, so it is easier for you to cut it. Or you can also ask your butcher to cut it for you. Use this heavy casserole dish that have the lid that's suitable for oven use. Or you can just cover it with double or triple layer of tin foil if you don't have the lid. Now put the whole chicken in. Use 1.5 to 2 bulb of garlic, whole garlic, sliced ginger, about 25 grams of ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, sprinkle some garlic powder, sprinkle ground ginger powder, and white pepper. Just gonna rub it all. As for all this whole garlic, you're going to put it under. Make sure you're going to put it all under, even inside the cavity as well. As the chicken cooking in the oven, the juice from the chicken will cook the whole garlic, and that whole garlic we're going to use it to cook the rice. Okay, now you know why my method is different, but watch until the end. Preheat the oven 120 Celsius degrees, fan heat for 2 hours. Of course, it's not chicken rice without chili chicken rice. 1 garlic cloves, 2 big red chili. Add a bit of water. We're just gonna heat it up to get rid of the rawness taste of the chili and the garlic. Your salt, a drop or 2 drops of vinegar, teaspoon of sugar, and it's done. After about 2 hours in the oven, just switch off and let it rest inside the oven for 1 hour. The minimum 1 hour resting in the oven with the lid on is important to get lots of juices and moist meat. Separate chicken and the juice that we're going to use it to cook the rice and sauce. Lather it with sesame oil, and we're going to rest it for just another half an hour. I have 2 cups of rice that I'm going to wash and rinse to get rid of the starch. Drain the water out. This is why I said it is important to put the garlic underneath while it's cooking with the juices. The garlic, then it's so soft, you can just crush it. Every cup of rice, you use 2 cloves. So I cook 2 cups of rice here, so I'm going to use 4 cloves. Put the garlic in. You don't put the water yet. Put the seasoning first, everything, the juices, and you put the water. So I have about 100 ml of the juices. For each cup of rice, you will put 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, put a bit of oil, sprinkle of sesame oil. And now you get all the seasoning, and now you just put the water to the level. We don't want to put the water first before we put the juices and the seasoning, just in case it will be too much liquid, and then you will have an overcooked rice. And now it's ready to steam just as you normally cook rice. Now we're going to make the sauce for the chicken rice. Get all the juices, about a teaspoon light soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil. Check the saltiness as to what you like. After about half an hour, and now you're ready to chop the chicken rice. The breast of the chicken is so moist and so soft. And this is how you cut the chicken rice. If you get a piece of the breast like this, slice it kind of slanting way. You can just use this one whole thigh, will be so yummy. And for this, we take the bone out, so it will be boneless. And voila! And now as for the sauce, now it's time for the test. The homemade chili. Yum. Make sure to follow the recipe, and you will get Hainanese chicken rice in an easy way. Thank you.